Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11E and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it. Then let's simply go to the contact settings and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block if you're ready. I don't want to report it as a spam, so I just unticked the option. And as you can see, after confirming here, we've got the characteristic icon and the information that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, we can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. And now to open the blacklist, we have to open the settings. So let's tap on the three dots icon here and tap on the settings. Here we've got blocked numbers in this general section, and that's our blacklist, and this is the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option works. We can also tap on add a number here and enter the number manually right there and tap on block, and it will be immediately applied, so it means obviously that it will be blocked. At the top we've got the option unknown, which means that you will block the calls from all unidentified callers if you wish. You can turn it on just by tapping just by tapping on the switcher right here, and you can turn it off the same way. And if you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.